Well, we're moving towards it is what I would say.
Yeah.
We've seen sometimes it's been seamless, other times we've had issues and had to revert back. Certain like incompatibilities with like certain.
No, well, there will be certain
applications. It doesn't like
So right now, the ones that TCP-based applications that we've seen that do cause problems are Java-based. Right, because oftentimes Java doesn't care and tries to make a UDP connection.
It was actually a Java-based application that we had an issue with.
We ran into a few of those, and usually what ends up happening is that we find out that it's actually, even though it's a TCP-based application to start, it switches in midstream to UDP,
and it doesn't have any understanding of that.
Actually, you can't even do a originally sourced UDP.
No, because it's a TCP-based reverse proxy. Is it going to be? Is it in the roadmap to be able to do UDP?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually in the works.
Okay, I thought.
Apple Content Studios wants it.
Okay.
So the people that make all the
so it's now being worked on.
They want it. So
that would be a game changer for our clients as well, actually.
Well, it was always a thought process. I mean, us guys in Fortinet said, we need to do UDP. Like, yep, we're thinking about it, right? And then it becomes, okay, now we have like really large clients that are saying, saying, we're going to go forward with this, but we need that. So, Apple's actually in a POC with it right now.
Nice.
But it's specifically targeted for 7.6.
Oh wow, okay.
It's not going to take that.
No.
That's going to magically change. It is specifically targeted for that. The thing is, the apps that switch like that are always going to be problematic. There are things that can be done inside the app itself. I was watching a Mantis ticket where we ran into that. We actually had that. We had one of the servers we have, the application that runs on it, is Java-based, and it utilizes Django Calls, and all of that. You'd get in, everything would look great, you could click on it, you could do what you needed to do, but if you wanted to get any information whatsoever, so like these things, you could click on it and say, I want to read the change notes for this
and that would bomb out.
Right? They would go.
No, we're absolutely loving it. I mean, the premises of it is quite simple, but what it's actually done is completely changed the experience for our customers, I would say. A lot of our customers were traditional SSL VPN, but they didn't need to be. But being like quite security conscious, I know that SSL VPN can be locked down, but most of the time you see people dial in and be giving access to like a /24 or something. When you actually think about it from a security premises, it didn't make any sense, did it really? I'm surprised it's not something like this not come around, quite early, quite a lot earlier, really.
I kind of like to say 90% of the information we use for that whole tag thing, we've had it forever. Just somebody all of a sudden said, maybe we should use that. That is so. All of that information that you can define it for a tag. In these tagging rows, all of that has been
for a while.
Been reported by Forticlient for years.
So like file shares and stuff like our customers absolutely love it because they just works, They just literally open the lid of the laptop and that's essentially it, really,
The biggest thing is they basically, if it's set up correctly, if they're out on the road, they access something the same as when they're in the office. And you just utilizing different profiles for the clients. People really like that idea.
Do you see a lot of use cases for it? So I mean, our main use case is people that are out on the road, like similar to a dial-in VPN. That's how most of our customers. But we're mindful that it can be used internally as well. Do you see a lot of use cases for that at the moment, like internal?
A lot of people I've talked to this week are looking at that. I demo that, right, where I have clients. I have clients that have to cross a firewall in order to get to the services that they have, right? And then I have clients that are outside. So I have my system has 8 of these. Right? I have all kinds of stuff going everywhere, right? And then I'll actually have stuff on the actual LAN port, and then I have port 1, and then that's all 172. So, and then I've got port 3, which is tagged as clients. And then port 2 is servers, and I actually utilize it. Okay, you want to do file share, you want RDP, you want to do this, you want to do that. You have to go through that, and do it. And I purposely let those machines not patch themselves, so at any given point I can just say, I have a tag vulnerable devices.
And they're not going in, you're dumb.
Vulnerable devices, I can turn that rule on. And then, we do, in the demo, we kind of do something simplified, look for a file. Right? And then we just rename the file when the file goes away, right? But I purposely leave those machines, don't let them patch themselves. And basically, I can turn on a rule, this is vulnerable devices, and all of those get tagged. Right?
It's nice, isn't it? It's nice. One of the things that I'm it's not really a ZTNA conversation, but one of the things that I'm kind of hoping for, and I've just been over to the EDR booth as well, I wish it was one client. Because we have tens of thousands of Forticlient deployments out there, and we would very much like to be able to just upsell EDR and switch it on.
That conversation is happening. As far as I know, it's a sticking point is how do you license it? Right? So do we license it as an add-on to Forticlient? Right? But then now we have these existing EDR customers that are pissed off because they got to buy something they don't want. I'm assuming the software, the code's going to have to change as well, like the machine learning stuff would have to be sort of brought into Forticlient, but I think if that's achieved, that will be massive for Fortinet, massive. It's a conversation that's happening. I know that it is. Nothing definitive has been decided about that yet, because there's the other thing. It's 2 different people's rice bowls.
It's like,
we don't want to be taking one away from one guy and bringing it to the other.
Because the thing as well is there's EPP and then there's EDR, and so we play them off each other quite carefully, I would say. So we say, well, actually EPP's kind of going away and you want to be going more towards EDR is what we're saying. So we need to be careful about that, we are careful about how we position that conversation with customers, because that can piss people off as well.
One thing that that's the base license that we have for the client is ZTNA.
We love it.
It doesn't do EPP.
No.
Basically.
No, we love it. We just say, because a lot of our customers have gates already, and we run. Well, we used to run 6.4 for a lot of our deployments, but obviously with 6.4 kind of coming towards its end now, we've actually started to move towards 7. So there's a massive upsell opportunity for our customers to say, you need to be running version 7. You've got a gate. You don't need a license. You need EMS. That's all you need, and then you can have ZTNA, and customers love it. They absolutely love it.
So own a FortiGate, turn it on. Right? Already a Forticlient customer, you already have the right license, because you couldn't possibly have anything else.
But we win the consultancy to do the conversion. Good. So we win the consultancy, to move from SSL VPN to this TCP-based reverse proxy. So it's interesting. It's a good product.
Excellent.
Cool. Well, nice talking to you anyway. Thanks for your time. I appreciate you. Speak soon.